Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Sarah Up TV. I'm Sarah Up and today I'm going to try an experiment. People that follow me actually might know that I've already tried these hair design on a buzz cut, and I noticed that it's actually kind of hard to do it by yourself. So I created a way to do it by yourself in an easier way. This is what I am going to do today. Yeah, I hope you're going to get a lot of inspiration and you will have fun with this video. And I also hope that it's going to work so that I'm not going to look like a mess in the end. Yeah, and before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel. Leave me a like if you're going to like my video, and yeah, let's start. I already shaved my head down to 2 millimeters. This is important because if they are too long, this experiment might not going to work. So yeah, and I've already bleached them to have a nice bright canvas for what I'm going to try today. My goal is today to draw a floral pattern on the side here on my head. For that, I'm going to need some plastic bags, some colors. Of course, I'm going to use directions. I have Atlantic blue today, spring green, plum, and apple green. It's not apple green, it's Alpine green. Then you're going to need a bowl to mix, and actually this brush is just for mixing the colors. And some conditioner of your choice. Actually, you can use any conditioner. I'm just using it to brighten up the colors. So, for that, let's start. Okay. Let's start with Alpine green, because I know this color very well. And let's use this because plants are green. So I'm just putting some of this Alpine green in my cup. Only a little bit like this, and I'm going to add some conditioner. Maybe this is already a little bit too much. Like this. You see that? So. Oh, and you're also going to need a scissor. Don't forget that. Actually, I don't have any special pattern in mind. I just tried freehand as always. I was actually looking for some cool patterns to get inspired, but how hard is it to draw some flowers? That's what I was thinking. Yeah, and I'm definitely going to use some more colors today than just one. So I think this is okay. This is how the color looks like right now. Wait a minute. And I'm going to fill this color in the plastic bag. Like this. See? And then I'm going to put it down. Then you're going to take your scissor and cut just a little small hole. Very small. It actually depends on how detailedly you want to do your design. So, and with that, I'm going to use this actually like a pen to draw with that the pattern that I'm looking for. So let's go. Okay, let's begin. way too much color. But anyways, maybe you can use it later. Next color. What kind of color should I do? I think I take the plum and going to brighten it up. Look how much color I have. Way too much. Okay, I think I'm not able to. Okay, I switched plans. I'm going to create just a creative pattern because I think I'm not able to do those small flowers. Should I use another color again? Okay, I hope... no, not yet. I'm going to do some green again. I actually only want to have it on this part, not on the complete head, because I think it's just too much. Now I'm going to leave it in for 30 minutes and I'm going to wash it out after that. And we will see how this is going to work. See you then. I've just washed it out and ooh, this is how it turned out. Actually, for the first experiment, not that bad. It's looking like veins, Yeah, this is going to happen if you try and create an experiment on your own head. And yeah, but I think I'm going to try this definitely another time again. As always, those kind of techniques, like hair cutting or hairstyling by yourself, always needs practice, and I see I need a little bit more practice to make this perfect the way I expected. But so far, did you grow back already? No, I actually don't know what I should do right now, because now, after a night of sleep, I definitely noticed that it looks like a crayon, and also my friends tell me that it looks like I've drawn just a pattern with the crayon on my head. Yeah, my plan right now is actually I want to switch that. I want to grow back the dark hair and do this experiment again. Or I'm going to do something like a Leo print or tiger print. Not sure yet. If I'm going to do tiger print, I should stay blonde. And to get rid of this, I should actually bleach over that. But I don't know if this is actually a kind of good idea, because I've bleached this part already yesterday twice, and I'm a little bit scared of the skin of on my scalp. So yeah, maybe you guys have some ideas what I can do right now, what I should do. It actually looks like veins. But yeah, this experiment has to be done definitely again, and I can't leave it like that. Oder? Just let me know. See ya. And yeah, so tell me guys, what do you think about this pattern and the technique down in the comments below. Leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and
see you next week.